Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Edwards. I hold a doctorate in information technology and cybersecurity, and I've been working in this field for over 20 years. Throughout my career, I've taught in multiple university cybersecurity programs and have personally helped more than 2,600 students prepare for their certifications and then launch successful careers in cyber. I wrote this book, Achieve CompTIA Security Plus Success, for one clear purpose: to give you a structured, no fluff, exam ready path to passing the SY0-701 Security Plus certification. Whether you're just entering the cybersecurity world or have experience in IT, this book walks you through every domain covered on the exam, from threats and vulnerabilities to risk management, cryptography, identity and access control, and secure architecture. It's all here, explained clearly and in plain language. But this book isn't just about reading material, it's a full system. You're not just getting a textbook, you're getting a complete certification toolkit. This includes access to a full online test bank with almost 1,000 custom written practice questions. These questions aren't generic or copied from other sources. They're crafted specifically for the current SY0-701 objectives and are designed to match the tone, format, and difficulty that you'll see on the real exam. Every question includes a detailed explanation, so you'll not understand just the right answer, but why it's right. And that's how real learning happens. Inside the book, I've also included targeted reviews, end of section recaps, and 300 printable flashcards to learn the Security Plus glossary. I've written this with the mindset of an educator who knows where students typically struggle, and I've worked to make the tough parts easier. So if you're looking for more than just another Security Plus book, if you want a complete prep experience guided by someone who's taught this material to thousands and worked in the field for decades, this is it. Achieve CompTIA Security Plus Success is your roadmap to certification and your launchpad into cybersecurity. Thanks for checking it out, and I'll be rooting for you as you prepare for the exam.